Huilum, which I've heard is like cheesecake, which is cool because I like cheesecake. So first ingredient, we got a bowl. Now you put this bowl on the scale. You zero that out. Then you got the cheese. This is a lot of cheese. This is very heavy. What you want is 1 2/3 pounds of ricotta cheese, which seems like a lot, but I don't know. So, it's a 2-pound bucket. We want 1 2/3 pounds. Cheese. That's barely anything left in this. Then next we got a cup of flour. Now, for those of you thinking flours don't come in cups, you're right. Cup of flour. And we got 4 tablespoons. Jeez, I got flour on the skin now too. When will it stop? So then next we got honey. I got the good honey because it was on sale. 4 tablespoons of that. Next up, we got egg. Now, we only need 1 egg. I'm gonna see if I can crack this right. Oh. And there we go. Perfect. I'm a genius. I'm a cooking genius. Now that's all of our ingredients in whole. Now the next step is the fun part, because you got to mix all of this together until it's mixed. I don't know. This looks more than mixed enough. You can see it. It looks like this. Very loopy. Smells a lot like cheese. You can tell that the main ingredient in here is cheese. So next, we grab a baking pan. This should be big enough, I think. And it says to grease the pan with oil. Your best bet would probably be to use like ham or vegetable oil or something. But because the Romans probably would have used olive oil, that's what I'm using. There we go. Smell on the inside. But set it in there. Pour the mixture in.
Hey, it's me, Goku! Is that all you got, Frieza?
Now we got this spread out evenly across the pan. So that means we're gonna put it in the oven, which I've set for 400 degrees. I have it preheated for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer for 20 minutes. Something I forgot to do, you gotta put a sheet of aluminum foil over it for like the first 10 to 15 minutes of baking. So you put on the aluminum foil, bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you take off the aluminum foil and bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Do like 20 some minutes of bacon. It looks pretty well set. Let me show you. It's looks good. Then so what you do next, put 2 more tablespoons of honey over the surface and put on 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. So I'm not even gonna measure either of those things. I'm just gonna kind of pour this and I'll see them. Then poppy seeds. Oh, that's good. Then it goes back in the oven for 5 minutes. Yeah, done. I took it out a couple hours ago, a few hours. And I've been letting it cool. I put it in the fridge like an hour ago to cool it down more. And it looks okay. It smells like it's in the Springs is it? Looks like it. And we shall now see. Oh, it's dense. Smells like cheese. It's pretty good. It doesn't taste like a lot. It tastes like cheese with a bit of honey in it. It's nice. It's like cheesecake.